Hey everyone, today let's talk about the laws of exponents. We'll understand with examples how these laws work. Number one, it says the multiplication rule. It's given a to the power x into a to the power y equals to a to the power x plus y. If we take an example, let's take 2 cube into 2 square. So according to the law, what should we do? We should add the powers. That means it will be 2 to the power 3 plus 2. That will be equal to 2 to the power 5. The second law is the division rule. The division rule says a to the power x divided by a to the power y is equals to a to the power x minus y. Let's take the same example. We have 2 cube divided by 2 square. So what will be the answer? It will be 2 to the power 3 minus 2, that is 2 to the power 1, which is 2. See, in case of product, what we did, we added the powers. In case of division, we subtracted the powers. This way you can remember the rules. The next rule says the power of power rule. That means I have an exponent and there is another power on top of it. And the answer is a to the power xy. What does this mean is I have 2 cube and there's a square on top of it. So what we're going to do is we'll simply multiply the powers. So it will be 2 to the power 3 into 2. That will become 2 to the power 6. That's what this law means. I hope it's pretty easy to understand. The next one is power of product law. Suppose there are two variables a and b and there is a common power. This can also be written as a to the power x into b to the power x. Let's understand with an example. Suppose I have 3 into 2 to the power 4. Now, this can also be written as 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. So when you bring them out, you need to give the power to each of them. Pretty easy. Similarly, we have power of fraction. Suppose I have a fraction a by b and there is a common power x. That can be written as a to the power x to the power b to the power x. For example, I have 3 by 4 to the power 2. Then this can also be written as 3 square by 4 square, which is basically 9 by 16. Pretty easy and simple. The next one is zero exponent. So anything to the power, if there is a zero on the power, maybe it's a variable, it could be a number, it could be a negative number, the answer will always be 1. The next rule says negative exponents. If it's written as a to the power minus x, then it means 1 by a to the power x. For example, I have 1 by 2. Now what's the power of 2 here? There is a 1. So this can also be written as 2 to the power minus 1. If I have 1 by 2 square, so this can also be written as 2 to the power minus 2. Pretty easy. Last one, we have fractional exponent. It's given a to the power x by y, means y under root a to the power x. It looks very complicated. Let me explain it in the simple way. Suppose I have root over 2. It's a square root. This can also be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2. If I have cubic root of 2, this can also be written as 2 to the power 1 by 3. Now, what if I make the 2 square? Like this. Now, how am I going to write it? So, this will become what? 2 square and the cubic root becomes 1 by 3. Now, we will use this power law. Here what we do? We multiply the powers, right? So, here it will become 2 to the power 2 into 1 by 3. That will be 2 to the power 2 by 3. This is what this law means. I hope you understood all the laws of exponents